Dance World. So, hi guys. Today we're gonna play Build a Boat. So yeah. And my cousin is a little bit shy.
Yes,
So only our strongest build so far
Yeah,
is
we
Sunny.
worked hard for it. Please, guys. Please, guys, subscribe because we worked hard for this.
Yeah. And if you wanna see the video unedited, go to Troll Faces video.
Yeah.
Go to Troll Faces channels. It's just in my channels. It's just in my channels. Alright. Sorry for all of that thing because my cousin's mom, you know.
Remember, you see, we are Filipino.
Yeah. We are Filipino.
Come on, I'll
I'm
be.
not mocking my cousin. I'm just saying yeah because everybody knows I just literally did a video about that.
Yeah,
Because
come on.
everybody thinks we're Americans.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Stop about the blabbing. Remember
Remember that the video that we made that is so cringe? If you want to see it, my cousin saw me the Rubik's Cube. Please press the link in the description.
Remember this? The booster.
Yeah, the booster.
And our goal is trying to reach the treasure.
Yeah,
I know it's a little bit laggy, guys, but
because it's his new tablet, and I'm using a phone, guys.
he's right. It's my new tablet. I got it for my birthday.
Like, they got a Switch for my birthday.
Yeah, that's great. But we can't download Roblox in the Switch, and there's no Roblox in the App Store. I don't know if
We
that's
have no app store. We have
Nintendo Shop, right?
Nintendo eShop.
That's the worst part.
If you guys know how, please just comment down below.
Whee!
Yo, bro, did you remember that I lost my jetpack when we're not videoing?
Yeah, and we were laughing
Yeah.
because the jetpack was not in the boat. It was outside the boat.
Yeah, my lap, it's like a clown people.
Yeah, his laptop is super laggy.
That's why. Here, that's why, guys.
Ah, it broke down. Ah. Bro, I'm drowning.
Bro's drowning.
So, here's my cousin. So, yeah.
You're such a great guy. Do have a good day. Have a great day.
So, guys, we couldn't reach it, so bye. Where's my cousin? Yeah. We're about to say bye to the viewers. Bye. Also, don't forget to
And
subscribe.
later, gonna make part 2 of this.
What do you mean part 2? We're gonna do it tomorrow.
Bye guys, it's the end of the video.